You must have heard about Delhi liquor scam. Whatever you heard about Delhi liquor scam, whatever you heard about the numbers in the Delhi liquor scam, when you compare it with what has happened in Andhra Pradesh, it's just peanuts. The repercussions are seen in the parliament. There's an MP in the Rajya Sabha who has resigned from his post before his term has ended, even though he has 3.5 years of term, 4 years of term left. Even then, he has resigned and said, "I'm quitting politics." It's because of this liquor scam that has happened in Andhra Pradesh now. This liquor scam is just like how these RRR movie is there, how Pushpa movie is there, where there's a pre-production, production, and also distribution. Even for the liquor scam, also there's a pre-production, production, distribution happened. What is the pre-production? Pre-production was the narrative was built. The narrative was built. The narrative was built in pre-production level. The narrative was built in the pre-production level where it was mentioned that once coming into power, we will definitely prohibit the alcohol in the state. We will prohibit the alcohol in the state was the narrative. But if you don't prohibit the alcohol, the rates of the alcohol will be raised to such a level that people cannot consume that. That is the narrative that was built at the pre-production level. What happened after that? After that, once the production stage has come, they have gone to the companies which are producing this alcohol and said, these companies which are producing the alcohol and said, we are raising this amount, we are raising these prices, you want to give it or not? They said, they all information, but they said we cannot supply this alcohol at this rate. So they quit. So what happened at the production level was all the distilleries in the state, 20 to 25 distilleries were taken over. Not only those distilleries have taken over. On top of that, what has happened was 26 new companies were incorporated.